Hello, my name is Laura Ortiz. Over the past few years, I have had the opportunity to travel to Malta, and I was a very experience for me because this experience helped me grow as a person and learn about the new cultures. Now I am about to graduate administration, which a big achievements in my life. I also have a good job where I continue to learn and grow me professionally. At the same time, I am in the process of buying my own house, which is a very important goal for me. I consider myself a responsible, motivate person, focused on building a better future. Thank you for everything. See you.